the introduction of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing kind of clear to researchers. The blockchain is digging in for the long haul. With this certainty of calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make a novel digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all in replaceable nearby monetary forms, which is genuinely huge. Before we especially start with itemized Nexo cost expectation, we should actually take a look at coin outline. What makes Nexo one of a kind? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-supported credits to clients. These credits fundamentally don't need a FICO rating, and this component makes it an appealing choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure a moment advance in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check total Nexo survey here. After keeping, a credit line opens up and no credit check is important. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their financial balance. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards. 1. Versatility of exchanges. 2. Working within in every way that really matters. Smooth coordination with different applications. It appears Nexo truly will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A striking element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary standards incredibly. These cards can be utilized for limits and in a real sense the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo, specialized investigation, in spite of prevalent thinking. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is generally reliant upon value development and request and supply and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it truly depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists shift as they would see it about the essentially guarantees Nexo in every way that really matters, holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable huge flood came in among April and May. The cost of Nexo rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, a significant leap that mirrored an enormous measure of early financial backer interest. Nonetheless, it stamped nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had in a real sense scaled above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight remedy and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information shows, when any remaining monetary forms showed a horrendous presentation. The Nexo cost has shown steadiness acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop. Knowledge starting from the start of this current year in an unobtrusive manner. Starting from the start of this current year, the cost of Nexo has been ceaselessly rising and as of late, it has denoted an unequaled high of $4.05. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dip under $1.50 and at present, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-by-week value change of 27%, which is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation by specialists in an unobtrusive manner. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a manageability advantage that impacts Nexo conjecture contrasted with conventional monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo weights around $2.29 with a 24H value change of 0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There really is right now a coursing supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In view of our expectations from the for the most part current cost of Nexo, a drawn-out increment is expected. The Nexo cost guess for 2027 certainly is $9.30. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 306.33%. According to the Estimate Information Investigation, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.20. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should sort of know the cost of Nexo in 2022. Taking into account our Nexo gauge, specialized examination, and market refreshes, many undertakings reaching realization by year's end overall around greatest cost expectation of $5 cannot be basically precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the cryptographic money market contrasted with government-issued types of money. Nexo figure of cost sounds exceptionally bullish in the future as it has shown a solid consistency. Toward the finish of 2022, the Nexo USD cost could without much of a stretch swing around $2.58, settling on trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo. Being founded on specialized examination, the cost of Nexo holds positive opinion for the impending a very long time incredibly. The Nexo value change might reach $5.61 toward 2022 in a significant manner. Nexo value expectation 2022, keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the Nexo cost explicitly is ready for a rise even in the year next. Incredibly, 2022. The cost of Nexo also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting the $2-3 mark in view of cost expectations. Nexo value expectation 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not for the most part be so perfect for Nexo for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is a determined possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more. Nexo value expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in light of expectation at the cost of Nexo, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Nexo will run the crypto realm, wiping out BTC strength with a presentation of cost fixed at $3.94. Nexo can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, predominantly in light of major areas of strength for it. Nexo value forecast 2025. The current year's expectations could check as the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is anticipated to outperform $4.62 by all explicitly implies, chiefly in light of the fact that this year no essential variables like pandemic or downturn are expected to by and large shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the majority of the harm done would in a real sense be on street to fix work in every world economy. Nexo value expectation 2026. As per our Nexo cost estimate in light of specialized examination and by and large past information, this digital money could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026. Nexo value forecast past 2026. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the transient cost development, with a touch of persistence in keeping the generally trusts high in the very long haul estimate. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of Nexo would fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap, by when Nexo would not anymore a guileless participant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, however a really prepared player. Does Nexo have a future? Nexo is a cryptographic money that has a savvy and splendid future in a kind of enormous manner. Riding the crypto wave, it will run the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule. Indeed, even genuinely virtual entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm the Nexo strength over BTC predominance incredibly. Is putting resources into Nexo a smart thought? Indeed, as per our Nexo cost estimate, putting resources into it will generally be really smart at the ongoing cost levels, which basically is very critical. Nonetheless, a reasonable level of effort is consistently prudent. There